So, narinig naman po natin sinabi ko si Brian that Christ is the reason for the season. Ang tanso po ito ay para sa ating Panginoon. It's for giving and not for receiving. And let's do charity.
Yes.
Let's do charity.
Yes, this event actually is, this culminating activity is actually a fundraising nga po. So, ayan. And the culminating activity, they had first day nilang ginawa?
On the first day, they had the illumination of the NSR. It started on December 27 and lasted until today, right?
Until today. I think they're still having the souvenir t-shirts, snacks, and kamay-pay that you can still buy. Payo, ayan yung
So, kung may available pang souvenirs dyan,
and you want to take more, the more the better.
To help with the fundraising activity of the alumni. And then, no, December 28 to 29, they had this Palalong Alumni, right?
Yes.
Yes. Ano itong mga kalimo nila?
I think they had volleyball, basketball, and do they have bowling? Natuloy ko ba yung bowling natin, sir? Sayang naman.
Ano, sayang
sayang.
pala ng ating bowling and billions.
Ayan. And tonight, we're going to give them the award. So, may mga natin
There will be an awarding ceremony this evening.
trophy.
Right after this.
True.
Yes.
Yes, partner. Alam ko, partner pag-ingat mo sa pagtawag ng mga pangalan nila kasi there are doctors, colonels, retired colonels,
Yes.
authorities in here. So just in case po na magkamali kami sa pagtawag ng pangalan, I take full responsibility po.
Ano yung
Magkamali ako din sa pagtawag ng pangalan. I take full responsibility and full sorry.
Okay.
Not yet too late to say sorry. So, hindi na po natin patatagalin. May calls here on stage. Mr. Jeff to help us award plaque.
Champions and the winners of the Palalong Alumni Family Sports Test.
Yes, 2015.
Mr. Jeff himself, the Alumni Secretary.
Ayan, ito na si Sir.
Thank you guys. Magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat and welcome to our gala night for the NASC Alumni Association for Magsaysay Chapter. Katulad na nasabi nila, 3 araw po ang activities ng ating asosasyon and nararapat lang na bigyan ng award yung talagang yung mga nag-participate sa ating Palalong Alumni 2015. Okay, so actually there are 6 games na kasama dun sa palaro. Katulad na sabi na basketball, volleyball, table tennis, tug of war, and then of course bowling and harang-taga or patintero. Unfortunately, medyo hindi namin nalaro yung dalawa na yun. But anyway, we would like to award the winners for the events. If you remember, ladies and gentlemen, kami po ay naglunsad ng contest to make our organization really has that unique identity. Kami po ay naglunsad ng alumni motto contest, which was participated in by a lot of batches, and we would like to announce the chosen alumni motto. So kung naalala nyo noong October to, and then we had a general executive meeting last October and we deliberated po sa alumni motto na to. At ang nanalo sa ating alumni motto, actually ang ating alumni motto is loyalty, integrity, and unity. Tama yun? Yes. Okay, and our winner is batch 73. Congratulations! Palakpakan natin ang batch 73. We would like to call on the representative from batch 73, please to accept the award. loyalty, integrity, and unity. I love you. Integrity, loyalty, and unity in that order. Thank you so much and congratulations to Batch 73. Our next award, nag-luksa din po kami noong October ng newsletter name contest. Kasi sa mga susunod na araw, we're going to publish in a journal lahat ng activities ng ating organization. So, nag-isip po kami kung ano ba ang nararapat na pangalan ng ating newsletter. So, we launched another contest. Okay? So, we would like to call on the winner for the newsletter name contest. But before we do that, we would like to request Dr. Zenaida Villayasa to help us award our winner. Okay, thank you, ma'am. Our newsletter name is #AlumniConnect at NEUSC-FMC. That is the name of our newsletter. May we call on Batch 81. Sila po ang nanalo sa newsletter name contest. So any representative from Batch 81, please. Any representative? Okay, so palakpakan po namin ng Batch 81. CLBC Batch 81. Sila yung they are the winning entries. Okay, so the Batch 81 is represented by Julie, Andrea, and Christine Rancel Managsal. Okay. Congratulations, guys. Thank you so much for your effort. Ngayon naman, punta na tayo sa mga nanalo sa Kalarong Alumni kahapon. Our first award is the champion for the volleyball. Okay, first place volleyball goes to the green team. Palapakan natin ang green team. So, ang green team po ay pinabibigyan ng batch 71, batch 77, 84, 90, and 2012. Congratulations sa inyo. So, actually, member ako niya nanalo kami kahapon. Okay. Yeah. Okay, yeah. Can we call on Miss J. Delsel Dang to help us award the winner? Okay. Habang nag-award, actually point system po ang ginawa namin doon sa palaro. So, it doesn't mean na if you win or if you won sa volleyball, kayo na ang overall champion. No, that's a point system. Okay? So, from CLTC Batch 80 is my sister Jay, that is Elkila, and of course escorted by Aguinaldo Selosa. Palapakan po natin ang volleyball champion. Okay. Thank you. Okay, thank you. Congratulations. We would like to call on the pink paratroopers. Pink paratroopers, ito po yung batch 74, batch 80, 81, 87, and batch 2015. Representative from the pink, please. There you are. Congratulations, palakpakan po natin yung mga younger generations ng ating basketball team ng pink. Players natin from the pink team. Congratulations! Palakpakan po natin sila. Thank you, guys. And then, of course, we have champion for table tennis. And the champions are, or the champion is, the green team. Representative from the green team. Okay, congratulations. Or the runners-up. Katulad ko rin nasabi ko kanina, point system po ang aming ginawa, no? So we would like to award the second runner-up or the third place overall. Sorry, before I announce that, I'm sorry. We would like to call on the winners of the tug of war. Sorry. Tug of war, ang champion po ay ang orange team. Congratulations sa orange team. The orange team, ito po ay ang Team Orange Sharpshooters, batch 73, 79, 82, 88, and 2014. Nalalakas na ng hindi nakahapon. Super. Representative from the orange team, please. Talaga, mga younger blood talaga ito nag-dito. Congratulations sa mga champion ng tug of war, orange team. Okay, so tatlo na lang. So second runner-up, ito overall na to ha. As I was saying earlier, point system siya. The third place will receive trophy and a cash prize of 1,500 pesos, garnering 130 points. Goes to the orange sharpshooters. May we ask Dr. Laya to help us award? Yeah. Congratulations, Orange Sharpshooters. Representative natin. So the award is going to be given by Dr. Gayat of Batch 92. Congratulations. Yeah, Orange team. Palakpakan natin Orange. Thank you. Okay, sino po ang ating second place? The second place, second place siya. Second place and then first. First runner-up pala ito. So yung kanina, sila yung second place. Ngayon, first runner-up. Okay. So, first runner-up for the alumni, ay panalong alumni 2015 with a total points of 160, receiving a trophy and 2,500 pesos. We would like, let's congratulate the Green Revenue Marchers. Congratulations, the Green. Dr. Dayat will still award the winners. Representative from the Green team. Okay, so the award is going to be received by Long Pantalosa of Batch 84. Okay. Congratulations to Green Team. And of course, our overall Palok Alumni 2015 champion with a total points of 170 points, receiving trophy and 3,000 pesos cash. Our overall champion is Pink Paratroopers.
Congratulations. We would like to call the officers of the Alumni Association to please come on stage.
Batch 70. Batch 70. Iliha is batch 82. To award the overall champion.